Welcome to our in-depth review of the Bigfoot Bushcraft Complete Emergency Fire Starter Kit. This kit is perfect for anyone who loves the great outdoors, whether you're a camper, hiker, or survivalist. Let's dive into what makes this fire starter kit a must-have for your adventures. One of the standout features of the Bigfoot Bushcraft Fire Starter Kit is its weatherproof design. It's both waterproof and windproof, ensuring that you can start a fire in any weather condition. This is crucial for outdoor activities and survival situations where staying warm and cooking food are essential. Each fire plug included in the kit burns for over 5 minutes. This long burn time gives you plenty of time to get your fire going, even with damp or challenging materials. The high-performance jet fuel wax blend used in the plugs contributes to this extended burn time and weatherproof capabilities. The kit comes with a compact travel tin that fits easily into your pocket or backpack. It includes 80 fire plugs and an extra thick ferro rod set, making it easy to carry and ensuring you always have reliable fire-starting tools on hand. The travel tin keeps everything organized and protected. With a shelf life of over 10 years, these fire plugs are built to last. This ensures that they will be reliable whenever you need them, making them a great investment for long-term preparedness. The fire plugs are made with non-toxic materials, making them safe for cooking. Whether you're grilling in your backyard, cooking in the wilderness, or using them in your indoor fireplace, you can rest assured that they're safe to use. Whether you're camping, hiking, or exploring the wilderness, the Bigfoot Bushcraft Fire Starter Kit is an essential companion. Its reliable fire-starting capabilities mean you can stay warm, cook your meals, and enjoy the ambience of a crackling fire wherever you are. In emergency situations, having a reliable fire starter can be a matter of life and death. This kit provides everything you need to start a fire in challenging conditions, ensuring that you can stay warm, signal for help, and purify water if needed. It's a crucial addition to any survival kit or bug-out bag. If you love cooking in the great outdoors, this kit is perfect for you. The waterproof and windproof design ensures that your fire stays lit, allowing you to prepare delicious meals on your camping trips, hiking adventures, or backyard cookouts. For those who enjoy practicing bushcraft and wilderness skills, the mini ferro rod included in the kit is a valuable tool. It allows you to practice primitive fire-starting techniques, hone your skills, and connect with nature. Users have praised the Bigfoot Bushcraft Fire Starter Kit for its reliability and ease of use. One reviewer shared their experience of lighting a fire plug after submerging it in water and burying it in snow, proving its durability and effectiveness in extreme conditions. The fire plug lit easily and burned steadily, even in wet and challenging environments. Another user highlighted the compactness and lightweight nature of the kit, making it an ideal companion for any outdoor activity. The travel tin keeps the fire plugs and ferro rod organized and easily accessible, which is crucial in emergency situations. Pros: waterproof and windproof long burn time, 5+ minutes, compact and portable, durable with a long shelf life, non-toxic and safe for cooking. Cons: may require some practice to master fire-starting techniques with the ferro rod. The kit might be considered slightly bulky for ultralight backpacking. The Bigfoot Bushcraft Complete Emergency Fire Starter Kit is a must-have for anyone who enjoys the outdoors or wants to be prepared for emergencies. Its reliable performance, durability, and ease of use make it a valuable addition to any survival kit, camping gear, or hiking pack. Whether you're lighting a fire for warmth, cooking, or signaling for help, this kit has got you covered.